As a civil service aspirant, majority of the people are clearly aware about how to read a newspaper. But there are few people who do not understand how to read the newspaper in an efficient manner. Why I am saying efficient manner? One thing, you can read the entire newspaper and understand about all the news for that day. On the other hand, you can only specifically choose the news which are relevant for you as a civil service aspirant. So that is the best way of preparation also. If you are very clear about your syllabus, so based on that syllabus, you can pick the important news for today's discussion. So that is the importance. If you know that, then your time you can actually save. You don't need to spend 2-3 hours in reading the newspaper. You can actually spend minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour you can spend, and you can learn that day's news in an effective way. And that is very, very important. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of time, your valuable time, because the rest of the time you can actually utilize for studying any other subject. So what is the importance of reading newspaper? The first importance is UPSC always asks the static questions, majority of the static questions from the current affairs only. Okay, so if there is a current affair topic, a burning current affair topic is there, from that topic, they will try to link it with the static content, and from that static content you can expect a question. So this is the way UPSC is asking questions. That is why we are saying that newspaper reading is very, very, very important. You know about the general studies papers, general studies 1, general studies 2, general studies 3, general studies 4, optional paper, etc. So in all these general studies papers, you can see different subjects like history, geography, Indian polity, international relations, economics, science and technology, art and culture, internal security, etc. All these subjects are included in these general studies papers. And newspaper is the only place that you can see all these subjects together. In a newspaper, you will be able to see the news which are related to polity, economics, geography, history, international relations, internal security, science and technology, art and culture, etc. So which means newspaper is a comprehensive data for you, okay, to understand about the everyday happenings from the perspective of the civil services syllabus. It is the only document that actually helps you to do that. Okay, every day you are trying to study different subjects. Every day you are trying to deal with different subjects. So from that point of view, you cannot neglect reading newspaper. And now the next point is, you don't need to read the entire articles coming in the newspaper. There are certain specific articles which are connected to the syllabus of UPSC. That is only required for you. And if you understand the syllabus properly, you will know how to pick those articles and read about it. If you look at our daily news discussions, we are not going into the details of each and every news. What we are doing is, we are trying to connect that news with the static topic. So from this particular news, what you have to learn from the syllabus, that is what we are trying to direct you. And it is your responsibility to read the news. Everyday news, you have to read it. And that's a great learning for you. You have to read everyday news. Please don't depend only on the monthly magazine. If you are reading monthly magazine, it is okay, but the problem is you are only reading it for once. But if you are reading newspaper, the same news, you will have different perspectives, you will have different updates regarding that over a time period, right? So you read the newspaper every day, and as a revision, try to read a monthly magazine. That is absolutely fine. But please don't depend only on monthly magazines for current affairs. That is my advice to all of you. So if you follow this, your preparation will be on a different level. Your understanding will be on a different level. You will be able to face this examination in a very easy manner. All the best. So please follow these instructions. Thank you.